in Jamaican stores, you don't see those items until maybe the trend finished months ago. Be grateful for what you have, because we would love a Walmart, we would love a Target. If you're a home decorator, interior designer, a builder, a contractor, and you're living in the USA, Canada, or UK, or one of those first world countries, you're at an advantage when it comes to home decorating. I am Renee if you're new here, and I share all things home related. So in this video I will be sharing with you some struggles that we face in Jamaica, and I'm not sure if the Caribbean feel the same way as I feel, but I'm just going to share with you some struggles that we face here in Jamaica when it comes to home decorating or interior designing or anything in that home decor feel. But you can comment down below if you experience this issue. Also, if you're living in the USA, Canada, and UK and experiencing this issue, please comment down below, because I know some persons live in the rural areas in those countries that share the same issue as myself. Now, the first problem I face when it comes to decorating my space is finding the right colors or finding colors around my color scheme that I'm using to decorate. Now, I can give you an example. If I am here and I decide that I want to use a rose gold color scheme, first and foremost, I might have to travel 10 different stores or 8 different stores just to get one cushion cover or a curtain, and I can tell you I might not find it, and if I do find it, it might be one of those expensive stores. So unlike you, when you can go into Home Goods and you can see an aisle with blues and an aisle with oranges and an aisle with reds, we don't have that here very much. There are few stores where you can go and get those colors, but when it comes to those unique unpopular colors such as the turquoise, the rose golds and those colors, it's hard to get them here in Jamaica. Most time we have to be going online to purchase, and it's rough, I can tell you that. So if we are working with a certain color scheme, we have to be traveling so many places just to get items within that color. That's a struggle I face. Let me know down in the comment if you face that struggle wherever you're living, and also let me know which country you're from in the comment down below. Another struggle that I face in Jamaica is the prices of home decor items. Guys, when I tell you it's a struggle when it comes to getting good home decor pieces, and the prices are so expensive. I guess because most of our retailers or store travel to purchase the goods and take it back, so custom duties, the tax, paying for travel and all of that are included in the price. So you're at an advantage if you're in that country that have the Target, the Walmart, and those stores, because we don't have those stores here. So our stores or retailers have to go to your country to do the purchase and bring it back to us, and they are expensive. For example, I saw a young lady, she had a home decor store, and when I saw the stuff that she was selling, they were like Dollar Tree items. And you know, Dollar Tree items at the time were $1, and you get like a set for 3 or 4 for $1. And when you're purchasing one of those items from the set, it was like about, the calculation is like 800 Jamaican dollars, which would convert at the time around $5 US, or yeah, around $5. So something for $1 in your country, we had to purchase it here for $5 in our country. So I can tell you the prices are expensive here. There are few stores like the Chinaman Wholesale, and like we have other Arbadash raisins, so like the Azans and the Bashko, where we can get some affordable stuff, but as I tell you, they still are cheaper in your country. So that is a problem we face as home decorator or interior designers in Jamaica. Another problem as I face, and I mentioned it before, is we don't have the Walmart, the Target, the Ross, the Michaels, the Home Goods, the Home Sense. We don't have none of those stores. We don't even have a Dollar Tree. And you know we would love a Dollar Tree because of the prices of the items and so, which would be affordable. So we don't have those stores here. So that's a struggle we face. We have regular stores that would be in our country, like we in Jamaica, we have the Azan, we have Fontana now, which is good on home decor. Guys, if you want to see those stores, I visited so many stores. I've done many shopping videos, so you can go on my page and view all those stores that I have visited and the prices. So guys, as I say, if you're in USA, Canada, UK, those places, and you have access to those big box stores, you're at an advantage. Be grateful for what you have, because we would love a Walmart, we would love a Target, we would love a Home Goods, we would love a Ross, we would love a Burlington. Oh my gosh, we would be so excited if they could bring some of those franchises here in Jamaica. It would save us a lot of money. It would save our retailers from traveling just to go and buy stuff to come back. We would save a lot here. So that's a struggle that we face in Jamaica. And since I mentioned the big box store, another struggle we face here, or I don't want to say we, because I don't want nobody to say them not have that struggle there, but another struggle that I face is no thrift store. So you know, a lot of persons would donate to a store and then they resell it back to us at a cheaper cost. Guys, we don't have a thrift store here in Jamaica. The only thing close to a thrift store that I saw or visited one time, and it's nothing to talk about, is our Salvation Army. And when I went there, like in a room with some French and some very dusty, nothing was organized. I wish we had a Goodwill here. I would have loved that. Even those antique thrift store, I know many persons would have loved some of those places. So I wish we had a thrift store here. You want some picture frame? Oh gosh, a thrift store would have been great for us. So that is a struggle that I face here. And another struggle, I don't know if I just me alone face them struggle here, but as I said, comment down below if you face this struggle, even if you're in the USA, Canada, or UK, or other Caribbean countries, Antigua, Turks and Caicos, Cayman, Bahamas, Barbados, Trinidad. Let me know down in the comment if you guys face these issues as well. In Jamaican stores, you don't see those items until maybe the trend finished months ago. Those things are not. This is the struggle we face as YouTubers, and we have to edit it out. Another struggle that we face here in Jamaica is that we get the items when they are out of trend in other countries. So for example, there are some home decor pieces that are popular and ongoing in the US and those other countries, as I mentioned. We get those stuff when uno finish use them. Like when them out of style for you, that's when we get them. So that's a struggle that I face when I'm doing home decor. So most of the time when we're decorating here, we have to use the online platforms such as the Amazon, especially eBay as well. I love eBay. I don't mind eBay. And like AliExpress, and so those are places that we have to shop to get the items. So that's another problem that we face here in Jamaica. When we're doing our purchase for the home decor pieces then that we want from the Amazon and those other Michaels and the Joannas online, the problem is once we purchase $50 US and over, custom taxes are charged on those items, and I can tell you sometimes the custom charges are more than the item or half of the cost of the item depending. So sometimes, like for example, I want a Cricut machine and I cannot purchase it online because it's already over $50, and if I should purchase that for $100, best believe I will be paying almost the same $100 to collect that item. So the best bet we have is to send it to a family member and they can carry it here for us. So you guys are at an advantage when it comes to that part in home decorating and so into your country versus our country. So as I mentioned, we face a lot of struggle here in Jamaica. I'm not speaking for the Caribbean, but if you're in other countries in the Caribbean, comment down below and share your experience when you're decorating and places that you purchase your items. I hope you enjoyed this video and just sharing a little history of what home decor is like in Jamaica. These are just a few struggles that I face here in Jamaica. If I miss any, please comment down below. Let me know the struggle that you face if you're in Jamaica decorating. If you're in other countries and facing that struggle, comment down below your country and the struggle that you're facing. Let us do a chit chat in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, you will love this next video here on screen. I am Rennie again. See you on this video.